English language textbook, class 3, chapter name Hamaguchi. Word bank: natives, people who belong to a particular place. Wisest, most learned, respected. To have great regards for. Seashore, land at the edge of the sea. Scattered, spread out. Realized, understood. Stacks, bundles, heaps. Anxiously, worriedly. Breeze, a gentle wind. Whispered, spoke softly. Shrieked, shouted loudly. Harvest, cutting of crops. Shelter, cover, protection. Word opposites: natives, foreigners. Wise, foolish. Gently, harshly. Harvest time, sowing time. Outside, inside. Claim, descant.